Can this skincare product replace lip filler? This is the lip plumping and enhancing regimen from Ourself. They sent it to me in PR, but it retails for $180. It consists of their lip filler product and a lip conditioner. And the results they show on their website look pretty impressive. Like, this is not so bad for a skincare product. So I decided to try it out myself. So in the package, you get one of these lip filler pens and then a refill cartridge for it, as well as the lip conditioner. The lip filler product is really the star here, and it touts its main ingredient, hyaluronic acid, to actually plump the lips. Hyaluronic acid is in so many products, but they say that they have a patent pending delivery system, and they call their entire brand Subtopical, which doesn't really mean anything. It's also got peppermint oil in it, which I think is there to act as an irritant. If you remember those lip plumping products from back in the day that basically burned your lips and made them swell to look bigger, you got that here. I had some issues from the very start when I received this product. It came, strewn within the box. It came out of its package, and early on, the component of the lid started to come apart, which meant that I couldn't fully cover it. I contacted Ourself, and they were nice enough to send me a replacement, which I eventually gave away because I felt that this was still usable. I did use it pretty consistently from March until now. I felt that at the first few uses, it was a little bit irritating on my lips, but after that, I kind of got used to it. I followed every application with their lip conditioner, which I really like. Is just a lip balm. I used it from March till May, so about 2 months, and these are my results. So as you can see, not a huge difference from the before to the after. And this is the split face view. One thing you have to take into account with these lip before and afters is changes in lip posturing. This versus this. Truth be told, I may have had to use this for longer to see results, but I couldn't. After I replaced the cartridge, this component fully broke and it won't advance the product anymore. And I feel like when you pay $180 for a product, that's just not acceptable. That said, I also feel like there are plenty of other products out there that do similar things. So this is the rare occasion where you're gonna hear me say that this product is not worth it. Have you tried the Ourself lip filler? What did you think? Let me know in the comments.